So this is the ICS-TOUCH II. This is a new model. We had the ICS-TOUCH I, and then feedback from customers, feedback from the installation team for things that would improve the experience and the user interface with the touch really. So this is the main control panel. This normally would be located out of the theatre, normally in a corridor, somewhere out of the way. It doesn't need access to be used daily. It's just power on and off. That's all this is used for. All the controls go back to this. So it's a key piece of equipment, but it's not used on a daily basis. This monitor, this will be inside the theatre, along with the distribution box here at the side of it. So on the left-hand side, we have interlocks 1 to 10. An interlock is an input, so this may be a door, a blind, a curtain, a window. I've opened the doors now, which is shown here, interlock 1 and 2. So this is dual channel, so both A and B are closed. So I'll close them one at a time. You can see now interlock inputs has gone green. So the only thing that's left to do before we arm the interlock system is press key switch, type in the code on the key switch. Now key switch has illuminated green. Safety is okay, and it also says here ready to arm. So if I arm the interlock system, the main control panel says armed, the safety is okay. We've got a laser warning sign on the monitor, danger laser on. Those will be inside the theatre. Outside of the theatre, we're going to have a laser warning sign at each door to let people know once they're accessing the theatre that the laser is on. We fit keypads on the doors where you want to gain access to the theatre when the operation is in use, when the laser is being used. If you want to get in the lab, you type in the code on the keypad. This would allow you to open the doors while the interlock is on. You get 15 seconds to close the doors while the interlock stays armed. As it showed on the screen, the interlock override has been activated. We have on the right hand side output 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are volt-free contacts, single channel volt-free contacts going to the laser equipment. So they are illuminated as they are plugged in. If I disconnect one of these, you'll see that it will lose the colour to let you know that it isn't connected. So if I put that back in, that's now gone back to amber. If we want to use the laser, I'll press the laser you want to use. This LED is showing that the volt-free contact is closed and that is getting the signal safely. So there's 1 to 4, they can be open one at a time, all individual, all go into an individual relay inside the ICS-TOUCH. We also have an emergency stop. The emergency stop, once pressed, will disarm the entire interlock. If I press this now, the interlock is disarmed, laser warning sign has turned back to green, the keypad has lost power, and it is also shown on the screen an e-stop red to give you a visual indication that the emergency stop has been pressed. To reset it, just turn it to the right and then you're ready to arm again. Just need to tap the key switch in every single time just to stop people arming the interlock system that aren't required to do so. And it's ready to arm, we'll press arm again and the interlock is back on.